Hello everyone, welcome to Coding Studio Learners. In this coding, I start from the basic code which you can able to learn quickly the coding. First of all, I need to install the DevC++ in your Windows. Let's enter the DevC++ in Windows 11. After entering it, is showing the DevC++ option. Click it. After clicking that, it is showing the download option. Install it. Then it's showing like this. Open the files. Is download option. Here it is the download option. It's showing the open file and stop. Click on open, then it starts downloading. Within seconds it is downloaded. After downloading, click on open file. After opening it, it's showing that it is loading. Wait until it is loading. Click on OK. I agree. Next. Install. Wait until it installs. It takes some time. After install it, it is showing like this. Click on finish. So it is opening the windows like this. It is showing the windows like this. So click on file, new and source file. Let's enter the basic program. Hash include stdio.h and int main. Let's open the flower brackets. Printf hello world, or else I typing like hello coding studio learners. So keep the semicolon at outside of the bracket. Let's save it. Click on save as option. Let's save the videos. Let's save the file in a folder. I giving as if one dot c. After saving it, execute it, compile and run. Then it is start the compiling. It's showing like a hello coding learners. So thank you for watching this video. More videos, please subscribe and click on the icon, bell icon. Thank you for watching this video.